Okay, welcome back, guys. So what you have to do now is to open your Google. Okay, you have to open your Google, and then you just have to tap on this search button over here. Then let me try searching for something like, let's say, importance of mango. Okay, you just have to input your keyword over there, and then you hit on the search button. Okay, let me choose this very first article. I don't want this video to be very long like that. So what you have to do is to wait um for the article to load. Okay, yes, you just have to wait for it to load. And then, guys, I know most of you enjoy reading and all those stuff, but sometimes it's very boring. And then I think this feature will help you a lot. Okay, and so let's continue. So what you have to do is to long press on your home button. Okay, and you see this pop up, and then you say, "Hey Google, this article for me." Okay, and then you wait for this pop up to show, and then you just have to wait for about less than 10 seconds. You see another pop up. Okay, yes. So let's wait for the pop up to come. Okay, make sure you like the video if you enjoy this, and you just have to tap on OK. Okay, so let me tap on OK, and then just after tapping on the OK, you just have to wait for a while, and now you can see this page. So you have to long press on the home button again, and then you say, "Hey Google, read this article for me." Okay, again, and now it will take you to the next page. Okay, now you can see it is over here.
Mangoes by Poonam Sachdev. Mangoes have been an important crop in India.
Okay, guys, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like. Okay, thanks, bye.